Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about a fundamental aspect of water quality analysis. The different types of sample we collect. Understanding this type is crucial because choice of sample directly impact the data we get and the conclusion we can draw. The types of sample we can always depends on the purpose of our tasting and specific parameter we are trying to analyze. Let's start with the simple type, the graph sample. Graph sample is exactly what it sounds like, a single sample collected at one specific point in a time and at one location. Think of as snapshot. It gives us a picture of water's condition only at that precise moment. Graph samples are incredibly useful for parameters that change rapidly, like pH, temperature, dissolved oxygen, or chlorine level. If we are concerned about the sudden change or want to monitor real-time condition, a graph sample is a way to go. However, it is important to remember that it doesn't tell us anything about what happens an hour ago or what will happen an hour from now. Next, we have a composite sample. Unlike graph sample, a composite sample is a combination of several individual samples. These samples are collected either over a period of time or at a different location. The purpose of composite sample is to provide an average representation of water's quality. It smooth out the peak and valley of the single measurement and give us a more general picture. There are two main types of composite sample. Time proportion time proportional. This method we collect sample at equal time intervals. For example, we might take sample every hour for 24-hour period. This is perfect for understanding the average condition over a full day. Flow and second is flow proportions. This method is used in place with varying flow rates like a wastewater treatment plant. We collect sample in proportion to the flow rate. When the flow is high, we take the larger volume of sample, and when the flow is low, we take smaller volume. This gives us a weighted average that is more representative of the total pollutant load. Finally, let's talk about the integrated sample. An integrated sample is a bit different. It's collected from the multiple points across the cross section of the stream or drain at the same time. Imagine a river instead of just sampling from the bank. An integrated sample involves collecting water from the surface and the middle and the near of the bottom all at once. The goal is represent the average composition across the entire channel. This is particularly used for the analyzing contaminants that might not be uniformly mixed throughout the water body. In summary, the choice between graph, composite, and integrated sample is deliberated one is not about which is better, but rather which is most appropriate for the specific information we need. As graph sample give us a snapshot, a composite sample provide an average over time, and integrated samples give us an average across cross section. By selecting right type of sample, we can ensure our analysis is accurate and our conclusion are sound. Thank you.